Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this relaxer day for you all because my hair turned out bomb. With that being said, I need you all to subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications, and comment down below bomb. But let's get right into this relaxer day, boo-boo. So your tools that you'll be needing is going to be some type of protector to keep your scalp from getting burnt. I don't really have that problem, but we're not going to start today. Also, you want to get your applicator brush. Make sure you go throughout your whole entire scalp area, especially your edges and your nape area, to protect those areas from burning. Let me also not forget to mention that you want to section off your hair. You saw in the beginning of the video, I showed you that with my little dance, but it's very important that you section off your hair, especially if you have thick, relaxed hair. This is my first time using the Olaplex Bond Multiplier #1 in my relaxer. I mixed it. This step is so important. It made a huge difference in the feel of my hair before and after. My hair, literally, it did not feel broken down like it usually feels when you get a relaxer, that limp feeling. It still felt like the bonds were still there. I cannot explain it. Even to this day, I'm trying to figure out how do I explain this to my subscribers, how my hair felt after getting my relaxer. This makes a huge difference. If you do not do anything else, I repeat, make sure you put the bond multiplier, mix it in with your relaxer. You can look at my video, you can look at other videos. What I did is I actually went directly to the Olaplex website to see how much, and that's how I was able to obtain a perfect relaxer. So let's talk about how I'm applying this relaxer. So I started out trying to section it off with the little comb. Girl, I said, let me just stick to my roots. Let me stick to what I'm usually doing, and that is sectioning off just by my hands, because I'm able to feel to see what my new growth stops at. I'm able to feel to see once it's been broken down. So my way of doing it is, again, section off my hair and parting each part of my hair with my hand and going through that way. It's just much easier for me, and also it just helps me to make sure that I am actually relaxing the new growth and the new growth only. The last thing you want to do is to over process your hair, especially having to wait so long. You all know I wait a long time to relax my hair. I think of about 2 months. I've only relaxed early only because my last relaxer didn't break down as well, so I had so much new growth, and y'all know when you have so much new growth, that demarcation, girl, I wasn't trying to play with it. So I'm gonna leave y'all alone and let y'all watch the rest of the video. I may pop up here and there, but y'all get the gist of it. You see what I'm doing. If y'all got any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to turn on your notifications because I have so many more videos that I'm ready to post. So once the relaxer is all over my hair, y'all know it's time to smooth. Now, smoothing takes a while for me. I have to make sure that my hair is smooth all over because, like I said, I did not relax my hair like I wanted to the last relaxer, so I was making sure that, okay, I'm going to feel every part of my head, make sure that thing is smooth all around, and if there's any other parts that weren't smooth, you're going to see in the video, I'm applying more of the relaxer. You can do that once you've already gone through the rest of the hair. At this point of time, my hair is definitely responding well, so I'm able to, again, feel my scalp or feel the new growth to see what it's feeling like. It's feeling smooth already, so I'm able to quickly go throughout my hair, again, making sure that I am within the good amount of time of processing my relaxer. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so the first thing that I did was rinse all of the relaxer out of my hair, and then I went in with my ORS neutralizing shampoo. Following up with a neutralizing shampoo is a must because it brings the pH back into the hair. So you don't want to follow up with anything else but your neutralizing shampoo. I did this about 2 times just to make sure that it's all out, and then I followed up with my next product, which you're going to see later on in the video. So I did follow up with my Olaplex Bond Perfector number 2. I left that on for 5 to 10 minutes and then followed up with a rinse. So that is part 1 of my relaxer day. Make sure you all stay tuned. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of my part 2. I had to break this down. This literally was 2 hours that I had to break down into like 10 minutes. So y'all gotta watch number 2 because it was just too much, and I'm not okay. Make sure you all subscribe, like the video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye dolls.